Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Verdant Solar Awards ceremony for the Malaysia Book of Records, the most solar PV system installation in a year. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to invite the man behind this wonderful company. Can you please give him a round of applause? The CEO, Mr. Zeth Lim.
I'm truly honored to be awarded by Malaysia Book of Records for being the most solar home installed in a year. And I think to make this happen, the purpose that always with us is always the one that drives us. And in Verdant, the purpose is to make the world a greener and better place to stay, and also to make Verdant Solar a second home for everyone. And I think that gave us a lot of motivation to continue to serve more customers with our world-class solution and world-class customer experience. Let's continue to make the world a greener and better place to stay, and let's together to make Verdant Solar a second home for us. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Malaysia Book of Records for the most solar PV system.